you need information and you need to interact with the field level. And for this, we are very, very proud that we have our I/O system. You can see a lot of people are already curious, are already looking at our more than 1,000 different I/O devices which we offer. But now we have added, you could say, a few more automation basics, new digital in and output terminals, a new family. Michael, what's about them? Why did we do them and how do they differ?
Yeah, we did it to bring the circuitry and the parts of the latest state of technology. So basically it's all modernized, optimized. From the functionality, there's no big difference from user's point of view. Yeah, but it's state of the art now.
Okay, and that's really an absolute basic automation function. A digital input, asking a light switch, are you on and off? A digital output, making a light bulb on and off. Why did we develop these new terminals? So we have the same form factor. We have different components. What else can we achieve with this new design?
So we learned a lot in the component supply crisis.
Okay.
That older parts were not as well as available as the newer parts. So we increased our supply security. That was one important point. And we also did, for the high runners, 2 different designs. An A design with components from different vendors and in the B design. And with this, we have a higher supply security and we can also optimize the prices for our customers.
Okay.
And these were the 2 important points.
Availability up, price down, functionality constant or different?
Functionality, let's say 99.5% the same.
Okay.
So to give you an example, there is no big difference in a 24-volt 0.5 amp output.
Oh, it's standardized, yeah?
Standard. And the inputs is standardized also in the IEC 61131-2. But for example, there are slightly differences. For example, the switching time on the output. The existing product has a switching time turn off of 60 microseconds. The new product has a switch on time of 140 microseconds. So there is a difference. In reality, use it for solenoids and for contactors, and they need milliseconds. So in the practical application, you will not see the difference.
But what if I now have my special super fast 60 microsecond contactor?
Stay lazy, no need to change it. So the old product will be available for many, many years. We try to keep it available forever, as long as it makes sense from technical and economic point of view. But of course, for new products, the new product will have even a longer lifetime.
Okay, so we could optimize our I/O portfolio for our customers. We can bring down prices, increase availability with our experience from the market to supply a good feature set. And I think that's a wonderful basis for every machine because everybody can really need it. Michael, I would say thank you. Have a fun day here in Nuremberg, and I hope you will have a lot of interesting discussions about it and find many new customers with it.
You're welcome.
See you later.